Hey everyone, I'm Nipun. I'm a senior undergrad at IIT Delhi. I just passed out from the college in 2021, and in future I'll be going to Gurgaon for a consulting firm. I'll be working there, and today I have with me Gargi. Can you
Gargi.
introduce?
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Gargi, and I'm also from IT Delhi, and I graduated this year in 2021. I am 2017 entry batch of Chemical Engineering Department, and I will also be heading for the consulting work for a company. So here we are to discuss about the topic that, as we know, the situation is that we have pandemic in the country, and due to which the paper for the admission into IT and NITs, they have been delaying. They have been delayed. And so due to which the students have no clue when the exams will take place. And if we were in that place, imagining that me and Nipun, if we were in that place, what will we do and how will we feel? And we are trying to get some solution for this problem. So we're going to discuss on this topic today.
So
So yes, Nipun, what do
basically,
you think? What do you will feel?
like as a starting point, I think कि अगर exam delay होता है ज़्यादा, so one of the most common concerns would be the student will start lacking the motivation कि work कितना करना चाहिए. Like it's like कि they want to get this pressure off them, but exam की date fix नहीं है, and they don't know if they wanna like study constantly or what else they want to do. They don't have any option. They cannot go out and stuff like that. So that is one of the major concerns that I think मेरे साथ होगी अगर मैं उनकी जगह पर होता हूँ. So
Yes,
for
very
that,
true. Like even if I consider myself in that situation, I will think, यार अभी तक तो July में चल रहा है, like it's June already, and the initially in our year the paper got over in May only, and but इस साल तो date भी नहीं पता है हमें जून तक, तो काफी burden रहता है कि हमारा वो ये जो span है studies का वो extend होता जा रहा है due to the delay of the exam. So
one of the
what we
solutions that
think
I can
should be done.
so from my perspective, अगर ऐसी ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है, so probably I'll be disheartened and kind of anxious कि exam कब होगा. I don't know when the date is due, and I don't know what to do till then. So first of all, I'd like to start like conversing with other people, like because they are in the same boat as me. Like there are like lakhs and millions, probably millions of students just like me in the same boat.
Yeah.
Like there are over 10 lakh people who give the exam of JE, so they're probably in the same boat as me. So I try to like have a conversation with some of my peers, probably from my coaching or maybe school, to get that pressure off me first of all. And coming on to the next thing is that maybe I won't leave the studies altogether, because this is a point of time where you can
True.
actually rectify if you made any mistakes while preparing in like the beginnings. For example, like मेरे साथ हुआ था 11th में, I didn't prepare properly. uh, like I didn't prepare a few chapters properly, especially in physics. So अगर मेरे साथ होता तो I'd use that time to rectify those mistakes that I made. And well, it's actually a good opportunity for the people. अगर ऐसा time मिल रहा है तो they can actually go ahead and clarify their doubts if they have any, if they left in chapters कि ये tough है ज़्यादा, so they can actually go ahead and try doing that. This is what I think.
Yes, actually, it happens usually a lot of times. Even if the exams are not delayed, we have a tendency like we will start studying just before a month before the exam. But ठीक है, it's JEE Advanced we are talking about. It's the exam which gets the admission into the colleges. So we should be more conscious about what we do, and अगर time ज़्यादा है तो बस relentlessly just बैठ के उसे खराब नहीं करना चाहिए, and don't just sit around wait for the date of the exam to be announced and start.
Something more
The
that
thing
I
is just don't halt the preparation at once. Like if you don't know the date of the paper, don't halt the preparation, because this is like taking 2 steps behind in the preparation. Instead of that, you can just take 1 step consistently in the forward direction. Study for 1 or 2 hours, not for 6-7 hours, which you usually used to do before the, like, if the paper were to be in July, let's say.
Yeah, I agree.
So that's what I would say.
And one thing is that, like, if you lack the motivation, well, I think that the best way to tackle with that is, well, which I used to do in my time, was to like set my own deadlines. If I don't have a proper deadline, I'll set my own. Like maybe, give my revision like 2 months of time, and I'll revise everything, and then like I'll give 2 weeks worth of time to attempting mock tests or online test series, whatever I feel is necessary for my preparation. So I'd set up some dummy deadlines to actually push myself to work properly. Like I won't just halt, and like I know it's high time and people don't really feel like studying, and it's obviously the time is difficult for everyone. But compromise everything. Like fit in your studies. Don't just leave it at this point. So this is
Yes,
what I
actually, one thing which I also used to do since my class 12 in Kota, and I
think.
still do it till date. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं एक छोटी सी डायरी रखती हूँ एंड आई राइट ऑल द डेली टास्क. आई राइट ऑल द डेली टास्क इन दैट डायरी. मतलब चाहे वो वर्कआउट से लेके कितने नंबर ऑफ वाटर बॉटल्स मुझे पीनी है, क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट में कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स मुझे करने हैं. आई राइट डाउन ऑल ऑफ देम इन वन डायरी एंड पुट द डेट at the top of it, at the top of the page. And as the day goes by and I do the tasks, I cut them off. And at the end of the day, you can see like how much work you have done. And this way you will be more consistent. You will see your efforts, like how much you are doing, which all topics are being covered. So it will be all in written and you have daily tasks to look up to every day. You will, that way you can be more motivated just to finish those tasks. You don't have to look at the bigger picture कि पेपर कब होगा, पेपर क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, और कोविड है, ये है, केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. तो उसके बजाय आप अपनी पढ़ाई पे ज्यादा ध्यान दो. और ये एक तरीका है जो मैंने काफी यूज किया और मेरे लिए काफी प्रॉफिटेबल था. आई रियली गॉट बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दिस.
Yeah, I agree. And it's like when you lack motivation, you need something, like you need a catalyst to push yourself, right? So what I think is, if you have a strong willpower, you can do it. Like if you seriously think that you cannot do it, like you should ask for help. Like maybe you can consult your teachers. Like if your teachers give you some deadline, you'll obviously take it more seriously because you have been studying under that teacher and under his or her guidance for the past 2-3 years, right? So if you ask that teacher to give you some kind of deadlines to, or ask for some practice sheets, and like they tell you that you have to cover this up and you have to complete this within like 1 week of time, so you're obviously usko tum zyada seriously loge, and
more
this is
discipline.
Discipline rahega tumhare andar, like you'll try to finish it because तुम्हारे teacher ने बोला है, and it's much more like what I think is it's much more beneficial than your own deadlines. But sometimes, like in my case, मैं अगर खुद के deadline set करता हूँ तो sometimes it works well for me, but other times like I do ask for help, like either it can either be from my peers as well. Like I can set एक हफ्ते बाद की डेट सेट कर ली, like we'll have a discussion, and उस एक हफ्ते में मुझे कैसे भी करके ये selected topics हैं ये complete करने हैं. So it can also work that way. So this is what I think.
Very true. तो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम आई थिंक कि द मोटिवेशन नहीं होता. कई बार हम क्या करते हैं कि हाँ बुक तो हम खोल के बैठ जाते हैं, वी जस्ट सिट अराउंड, वी आर लुकिंग एट द बुक, बट वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली गेटिंग दैट क्रूशियल कंक्रीट आवर्स ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन फ्रॉम आवर स्टडी. तो बस मतलब बैठे हुए हैं, टाइम इस तरह. कई बार हो सकता है हम अगर घर पे है तो अगर मे बी वो माहौल नहीं है या फिर डिस्टर्बेंस आता है तो हम बस we just sit around and kind of waste our time in doing maybe just TV देख लिया कहीं पे बैठ के, किसी से गप्पे शप्पे मार लिए, तो ये भी टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता है जब मोटिवेशन कम रहता है. तो इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
I have to agree कि I still do that, still do this. अगर कोई like serious like deadline नहीं है, कोई होता है ना कि डंडा नहीं है ऊपर, कोई force नहीं है मेरे को काम कराने वाली, so I still do that कि just opening my book. I know कि मेरे exams 2 weeks बाद में, but like it's not a tight deadline, तो मैं like I'll sit around, maybe I'll go to the library and I'll sit around and watch, just stare at my laptop screen. So it is a problem. And see, what I think is it's not worth it. If you are feeling that way, it's not gonna be any beneficial. तुम जाके time waste ही करोगे अगर तुम ऐसे बैठे हो. Like I'd rather do something more fruitful, like engage in some other activities. It doesn't have to be like it doesn't have to revolve around studies or academics. You can do anything to अपना mind refresh हो. Otherwise you'll keep on working and you'll reach a state of burnout. You won't want to do anything. This is what I think. And
मतलब
for
कई बार
yeah. hmm. Go ahead.
ऐसा होता है कि बच्चे पूरा रिवीजन कर चुके होते हैं, उन्होंने सोचा था कि द पेपर विल बी हेल्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द जून लेट्स से, तो
Hmm.
वो मई तक पूरा रिवीजन करके दे आर डन, दे हैव स्टडीड ऑल एंड दे आर नाउ नॉट अप टू लाइक they are not in the mood to study with that much power and that much efficiency now from the start, because they've already done the preparation now and they are all revised and they think that हमारा तो हो गया, हमसे इससे ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ा जाएगा. कई बार होता है सिचुएशन आता है, because it's kind of a burnout situation. In that case, me and Nipun both think it would be more beneficial for students to take a refreshment break. Let's like you can take a weekend break, 2 days break, 2-3 days break, and I really suggest students to not feel guilt about this. Okay, that refreshment is also for your preparation. It's a part of your preparation to get you set in the mood of the to prepare more efficiently in the coming week. So do take a break, and that break can also be very beneficial. Like you can do some physical activity, and
Yeah.
and the physical activity, these kind of things can be incorporated in on daily basis also.
Exactly.
आप ये हर रोज भी कर सकते हो और ये फायदेमंद भी है. आप घर पे अपना कुछ काम करा सकते हो किचन में. यू कैन हेल्प योर मदर, यू कैन डू सम गार्डनिंग, डू सम स्किपिंग और गो फॉर जॉग एवरी मॉर्निंग. तो
It's
ये आपका
actually
एक बहुत ही अच्छा.
beneficial. And given that time ऐसा चल रहा है, तो you have to maintain your health, right? You cannot just put
Yeah.
your health at stake this time. So it's obviously beneficial
Yes,
if
like
you
you
like
can
work out physically.
do some
Hmm.
workout like you yoga. Sorry, you can do some yoga, and it's very beneficial. Get some and also take good nutrition. Like sleeping and eating well is also included in health, and students mostly just neglect these things, which they shouldn't. And as we know, the one thing which Corona and the pandemic has made us learn is that we should keep our health with the first priority.
And
So,
if you
take this
go
also in account.
if you go statistically also, like if you tend to waste like 2 to 3 hours per day and you study all the week, so it's like you're wasting almost 21 hours every week. And if you're studying for 7 hours per day, so it's like you're wasting 3 days worth of studying. So it's better to take a break instead of just wasting those 2 3 hours per day. It's obviously better you just take a break
These are
and do something that that refreshes you. That's what I think. Like it's good to just go out, have some fun, and don't regret it because it's good for you.
yes. So one more thing which everyone in the pandemic has felt, that there is a lack of social interaction, and the students, I think they are feeling it more because they don't have a very good circle around. Like as we know that online education is going on, they are taking online coaching, so they don't have a good social interaction right now, as compared to the what we had at our time, that we used to chat around before the class began and we used to roam for like 10 to 15 minutes to the gate of the coaching as the class left. So that lack of social interaction also reduces some motivation in the students to study or just keep going in the preparation.
Yeah.
Do you agree with me, Nipun?
Yeah, exactly. Like even I started my coaching in 11th. Like I did it for 11th and 12th, and us time mein, like I barely had a social circle. And it was because most of my time was devoted to studying and participating in exams to see how well I can stand. So it's like बहुत कम social interaction था, and I started interacting with my school's friends after my JEE exam. So that is something that like I have to agree, and it is important. Like it's not like you can just you can just ignore everything and study on your own. Well, most of the people do, but इतना अच्छा नहीं होता ये. You have to interact. You have to start interacting, and this time पे you have extra time. If you don't feel like studying, go on, interact with other people. They are like you can interact with your parents, because well, obviously I remember कि मेरे time पे भी I didn't really used to interact much with my parents either, because पूरे time room में बैठ के पढ़ना ही होता था, and friends के साथ भी बहुत कम होता था. Like it used to be like doubt session something, or something like that. Like you gather around and talk about what you feel is like not up to the mark about your preparation or something. So instead of that, you can talk about normally, like talk about normal issues जो तुम्हें face हो रहा है, तुम क्या improve करना चाहते हो and क्या problems हो रही हैं, because they're in the same boat as you, like I said earlier. So talk to them.
Yeah.
It helps a lot.
Actually, it can buck up your motivation, that lack of motivation which most of the students feel. तो वो चीज बात करने से, आपस में बात करने से, कोचिंग के स्टूडेंट्स या मे बी अगर आपको किसी चीज में प्रॉब्लम आई तो जस्ट कैजुअली किसी टीचर से आप, लाइक इन आवर टाइम्स आल्सो आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट गो टू द ऑफिस ऑफ एनी टीचर एंड जस्ट टॉक अबाउट द जनरल इश्यूज कि मेरे से पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, थोड़ा मोटिवेशन नहीं है, क्या करना चाहिए. एंड दोस टीचर्स, आई रियली मीन, दे मीन द बेस्ट ऑफ यू for the students, and they would really suggest you very good things. They have been there for 15 years, 10 years, and they have seen all kinds of things, and they can really help you out in every situation. So reach out to your teachers, to your fellow students, and parents. Obviously, they are the best well-wishers in the world for you. तो वो हमेशा आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. आप चाहे कुछ भी कैसा भी फील कर रहे हो, लो फील कर रहे हो, तो just go to your parents and talk with them.
I'll agree to that. Like teachers, they have seen this kind of behavior like in many years of their experience. Like बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ होगा, बहुत लोग आते हैं हर साल, they don't feel like studying, motivation खत्म है, and they consult them. So obviously they know some way to reignite that motivation that you're lacking. So go ahead, talk to them. It's a good idea. Like it's a really great idea if you do that. And the next thing that I think is the health issue. See, it's obviously like in the second wave we have seen कि काफी ज़्यादा like lethal भी था and काफी problematic situation थी, काफी infectious था. So it's also an issue that some people might be worried what if they catch COVID, and if you catch COVID, well obviously you'll like about 2 weeks of your time will be wasted. So this is also an issue.
Like,
yeah.
15 days.
So for that, what do you think should the student do?
सबसे पहली बात है, हेल्थ को हमेशा प्रायोरिटी रखना है. इवन द गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग दीज, टेकिंग दिस डिसीजन, टेकिंग इन माइंड योर हेल्थ, बिकॉज दे नो दैट द हेल्थ ऑफ एवरी स्टूडेंट इज मच मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. तो आपको खुद को भी अपनी हेल्थ प्रायोरिटी पे रखनी है. अपना हेल्थ को, अगर आपको कोई भी सिम्टम्स नजर आ रहे हैं तो क्योर देम, टेक प्रिकॉशंस, डोंट गो आउट. और ये मत सोचो कि हम यंग है, हमारी इम्यूनिटी है, हम 18+ नहीं है तो हमें नहीं होगा कोरोना. बट वी हैव सीन केसेस की होते हैं, लाइक देयर आर पॉजिटिव केसेस जो यंग को भी हो रहे हैं. और मे बी थर्ड वेव में, आई डोंट नो व्हाट द स्ट्रेन इज, बट yes, you have to take precautions all the time. Do some physical exercise, do some cardiovascular exercises which is good for your heart, and take good nutrition, vitamin C and every like good nutritious food for your health. And other thing, yoga can help, like exercises, yoga can also help. And take good sleep. These are some basic things which students can do easily, and just don't ignore your health. I've seen students just sleeping for 4 hours, under 4 hours, and they just go on with the day. But maybe you are adapted to that way, but it's not healthy. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, exactly. It won't help if you just ignore your sleep schedule. Sleep schedule is important too. Like it happened to me in college once. Like lack of sleep can cause a lot of trouble. So make sure you sleep properly. You have the time now. Don't worry about wasting it. You have a lot of time. You can cover up everything you want to. Okay, so it's like
क्योंकि अगर आप हेल्दी, अगर आप हेल्दी नहीं रहोगे, बीमार हो जाओगे. If you get COVID, if you get any strain of COVID, you will be down sick for straight 15 days at least, and there comes the things with that you will be very tired all the time, won't be able to focus for your studies, and हो सकता है अगर आप ध्यान नहीं दो तो क्या, like the worst can happen during these days also. So take care of yourself. अगर बीमार रहोगे तो पेपर ही नहीं दे पाओगे, फिर क्या ही मतलब पूरी प्रिपरेशन का. तो टेक केयर ऑफ योर
Exactly.
हेल्थ, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Take care, take all the precautions जितने हैं, like I'm pretty sure everyone knows कि क्या क्या precautions हैं. Just follow them and don't think कि तुम्हें नहीं होगा. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं बट हो जाता है उनको भी. So be cautious. And one last thing that I wanted to say is कि during this time like you have very like a lot of extra time. Like you get bored. Like obviously every student has a limit कि किसी कोई 6 घंटा पढ़ पाता, मैक्सिमम कोई 7-8 घंटा पढ़ लेता है, बट एक लिमिट के बाद में लाइक यू गेट टायर्ड. So what can we do after, when you reach that limit? It's not like a situation of burnout, but you're bored after that time, like you don't have anything to do and you're scared to do something because you think that it would disrupt your studies and you'll get distracted. So this is
So
also an issue
very
that I
good
could think
thing
of.
which we discussed was कैसे हम 2 साल प्रिपेयर करते हैं PCM, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ, बट वी डोंट नो इवन ABCD about what we are going to study for the next 4 years in our future and what will be our future, like which branch we are going to take, in which department we are
Exactly.
going to be. So ये टाइम आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो. If you have extra time and you're not motivated or you are not feeling like to study more in that day, you can, now we all have access to internet, so you can search up or even talk to some seniors like alums or maybe the students of IITs or any engineering college to tell you about the branches we have in the colleges. So even I took chemical engineering. It was not like I knew what chemical engineering has. I thought it comprises of chemistry, which is a whole another branch in our IT Delhi. And chemical engineering basically has thermodynamics and most part of the physics, which we study in class 11th and 12th. So it will be very beneficial, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि जो सा जैसे कि हमारे एकेडमिक ईयर काफी डिले होता जा रहा है, तो हो सकता है कि वो 1 महीने 2 महीने देने के बजाय क्रंच अप करके दे दो, गिव 15 days टू decide your branches or decide your seat, like the seat allocation which happens at the end of the GA advanced paper, after the GA advanced. तो इट विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल कि स्टूडेंट थोड़ा टाइम दे हर एक ब्रांच को समझने के लिए कि हम इस ब्रांच में क्या होता है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इंटरेस्ट यू कैन डिसाइड कि मुझे अगले 4 सालों में ये वाली ब्रांच पढ़नी है. एंड या पीपल डू हैव पैशन इन सम ब्रांचेस, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट जस्ट एंड अप गेटिंग द ब्रांच विच दे डिजर्व अकॉर्डिंग टू द लाइक जस्ट द कन्वेंशनल जो ब्रांच की जो हमारी लिस्ट होती है ना, उस हिसाब से बच्चे अपनी रैंक अकॉर्डिंग टू द रैंक दे आर जस्ट स्टक अप विद देयर, they get stuck with their, I think, yeah, this is the word, they get stuck with their branch.
Yeah, this is the real issue, like exactly, like जो तुम्हें ब्रांच मिलेगी एंड यू थिंक कि जिस ब्रांच के लिए रैंकिंग कम है, लाइक द ब्रांच विच रिक्वायर्स यू टू हैव अ लेसर रैंक, अ बेटर रैंक, वो ज्यादा अच्छी होगी. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स टोटली अप टू यू कि तुम्हें क्या पसंद है. If you're getting like chemical engineering, if you're getting biotech and you want to go in that field, then it's for you. You don't have, and if you have a rank of like which gives you mechanical or electrical but it doesn't suit you, तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा तुम्हारा लेने का भी. Just go through everything. You don't know what you're getting yourself into. So first of all, take a step towards it, learn about it अच्छे से, and you have the time. Time constraint कोई नहीं है. You have those resources. I'm sure internet facilities available हैं, and you can, you don't actually have to connect with everyone from every college to know about their branch. Everything is available on the internet as well. So and one more thing is कि yeah, like मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. I thought कि mechanical engineering will be based on mechanics that we study in physics in 11th 12th and the cars and engines. No, but it isn't like that. It includes a lot of thermodynamics and a lot of other things, so which was not really my interest. That's why I had to shift towards consulting and other non-tech jobs. So make sure that you are thorough with everything, and once you're done with this, you have time, go and do some other things, like you can engage yourself in mind games like puzzles. Like these are a good way to pass your time. Like you can play chess
Even
if you're
novels.
interested. Yeah, you can read novels. बहुत time है, and you can do it, and you won't have to
मतलब
you don't have to feel that regret कि तुमने ऐसा किया, because you're already at the point कि like you're feeling कि तुमने कर लिया है and you are confident in your preparation, तो बार बार करने से कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. Just go ahead and give yourself a break थोड़ा सा. डोंट थिंक कि बार बार पढ़ोगे तो और ज़्यादा अच्छा होता जाएगा. नो, जस्ट यू नो मेंटेन योर टेम्परामेंट अच्छे से.
Okay, so the main thing which we really want to talk about is how to schedule your academics और कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए और अगर motivation भी नहीं कर रहा है तो फिर भी how to push yourself. So what do you think the student should do, Nipun? कि कैसे plan करें अपने schedule को या फिर कैसे interest बढ़ाएं अपना पढ़ाई में वापस से?
Like I said before, forming a kind of a deadline is a good way to start. It doesn't really work with everyone. Yeah, I know that, but it may work for you. And this is the one of the best ways I could think of. And like start off with something that you actually like to reignite your passion in studies. Like once again, like for example, if you like in physics, if you like optics, start with that optics chapter and start solving questions again. तुम ऐसे like जो तुम्हें आता है already and you're good at and you like it, तुम उससे start करोगे, then maybe you'll have more interest in studying. So धीरे धीरे you build up a ladder, like you arrange those chapters in a sequence of your like how much you like them on that scale and उसके according work करो. And maybe I think this way can be you can use to reignite that passion and you can start studying again.
तो वन थिंग ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू से कि अब ये टाइम ज्यादा है लेकिन कई को लगता है कि हमारा तो रिविजन हो गया, हमने तो सब कुछ पढ़ लिया, हम अब नहीं पढ़ेंगे, हम एक महीने पहले ही वापस से शुरू करेंगे रिविजन. बट वो वही मतलब बट द कॉन्स्टेंट प्रैक्टिस, द कंसिस्टेंसी इन योर एफर्ट बिल्ड्स योर कॉन्फिडेंस. अगर आपने 2 महीने स्ट्रेट पढ़ाई छोड़ दी तो यू विल लैक द कॉन्फिडेंस इन द पेपर. मतलब यू कैन स्टार्ट लाइक मे बी हम ऐसे परमानेंटली भूलेंगे तो नहीं, रिवाइज करेंगे 1 महीने पहले तो भी हमें चीजें याद तो आ ही जाएंगी, बट स्टिल उस टाइम को यूटिलाइज करना चाहिए. एंड यू शुड ऑलवेज थिंक दैट एक्स्ट्रा टाइम इज अ पॉजिटिव थिंग विच इज बिन एडेड टू यू, विच इज बिन गिवन टू यू. क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि 12th में लोग पेपर देते हैं इवन इफ दे थिंक यार बहुत अच्छा पेपर किया था, बट दे स्टिल वांट टू इम्प्रूव देयर रैंक और द परफॉर्मेंस इन द एग्जाम एंड दे एंड अप टेकिंग one more extra year and they add one more year into their preparation. So आपको almost आधा साल और मिल रहा है प्रिपरेशन. हमारा पेपर मई में हुआ था बट आपका सितंबर में होगा, the coming batch in 2021 I think in the September. So you have like almost 5 or maybe 4 months more I think. तो उस चीज के लिए हमारे like you can plan out by writing down what are your weak topics are. फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स में यू कैन लिस्ट डाउन कि मेरे ये वीक टॉपिक्स हैं एंड देन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग on each day with those. Start with the weak topics, do some 10 questions in the first day, then do some more hard level questions on the next day, then keep progressing the level and make that weak topic your strong one. और जो ऑलरेडी स्ट्रॉन्ग है उसको इस लेवल पे ले आओ कि आपके 100% मार्क्स आए. कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो तो यू स्कोर full in them.
Yeah, and this thing
So
happens
this way
like,
you can also utilize.
Yeah, so
go
this
ahead.
thing happens like when you're attempting the paper, you have that flashbacks कि like तुम जब एक क्वेश्चन पे अटक जाते हो, like you get that flashback कि मे बी मैंने यहाँ गलती कर दी थी, ये नहीं पढ़ा था, then you feel that kind of a regret. Like it's a very बहुत एक short time window के लिए feeling आती है regret की, but it happened and it happens sometimes and you feel like कि यहाँ पे मैं इस chapter में थोड़ी सी और मेहनत कर लेता तो ये question और ठीक हो जाता. So now you have the time, you have the resources, so go ahead and जो भी जिस भी टॉपिक में तुम्हें लग रहा है कि प्रॉब्लम है, you feel कि थोड़ी सी भी वीकनेस है, put that down, list it down and work on it अच्छे से, like so you don't have the regret after you attempt your paper.
And I would also suggest कि students अपने teachers को बोलें कि कोचिंग में या जो भी institution they are affiliated with, कि वो उनको बोले कि सर डाउट सेशन रख लो, कि हर एक वीकेंड पे डाउट सेशन रख ले वो स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, या फिर आपस में ग्रुप में भी यू कैन डिस्कस योर डाउट्स. द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन इज कि तुम्हारे डाउट्स हो जाने चाहिए. अगर तुम्हें किसी भी टॉपिक में प्रॉब्लम है, डोंट कीप दैट डाउट अंटिल द वेरी लास्ट, गेट देम सॉल्व. बिकॉज वो एक डाउट है, क्या पता उसी से रिलेटेड एग्जैक्टली उसी से रिलेटेड एक सवाल आ जाए एंड देन यू थिंक मैंने तो सोचा था ये तो सॉल्व करना था, सर से बात करनी थी, लेकिन फिर एंड तक हुआ ही नहीं. बट नाउ यू हैव द टाइम, यू हैव द एक्स्ट्रा टाइम, so go and ask your teachers, ask your fellow students to solve your doubts, get your all these doubts resolved before the paper, and you also have quite a time for doing that. So yes,
Yeah, and so like I guess we have reached our time limit. So we'd like to conclude that don't worry too much about the exam. If you're getting extra time, it's good for you. You can use it to strengthen your weak topics. अगर तुम्हारी preparation हो गई है and you're confident, go ahead and try out some different activities. Don't worry too much about कि एडिक्शन हो जाएगा उस चीज का, तुम पढ़ना भूल जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Just keep it low, थोड़ा सा low रखो, and try out some different activities that you feel would be good for you to refresh yourself. And just don't worry and take good care of your health. It's very important this time. So Gargi, do you want to say
I would
something?
also end to end this conversation by the note that go slow and steady. It has to be consistent effort, but don't go like we don't have. I know the students are not that motivated right now because the time is extended. Their span of studying time is extended. They think कि अभी तो हमें सितंबर तक पढ़ना पड़ेगा और पढ़ना पड़ेगा, हम तो 2 साल से पढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं, पेपर ही नहीं हो रहा है. But keep that effort still consistent. Just keep going on one day at a time. कि एक दिन है, ये task है, ये complete कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. And we are done with the day. We have made that day very successful. We have given our best. We have also done some other activities. We have taken care of health. We have drank plenty of water. We are sleeping good. We are taking good nutrition. And we've also given 2-3 hours, let's say, or 4-5 hours according to your needs. So your day is a very wholesome, and you have given time to your studies, and you have given time for yourself also.
Exactly.
And just take one day at a time and be consistent, but in your preparation, don't halt it.
Yeah. And at the end, I just want to wish you all the very best for your exams, and don't lose hope. It's gonna be all right. You'll do great. Okay. Just don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Just keep on preparing
and take
one
care,
step at a
guys.
time. Yeah. Good luck.